We live in strange times. The housing bubble burst, rise of China, and the rise of inequality. Health is a very big deal. Taxes are a front-rank issue. Blue-collar jobs were lost. Two groups have been left behind. But it's a complicated story. Instead of saying, oh, it's a complicated world, I don't get it, say, all right, let me try to figure this out. Let me make sense of this. Doing economics requires stepping back from all of the details to say, what is the essential here? What is the story? It's about people. It's not about money. And it ends up being about what people do. Really good economics has a kind of beauty to it. And it comes down to just two principles. $100 bills don't lie in the street very long. The other is every sale is also a purchase. Things add up. What you're going to learn here in this class is how to think like an economist. Healthcare in America is an economic issue. Left to its own devices, private health insurance actually just doesn't work. The crisis of 2008 wasn't as bad as the Great Depression. And if you ask why, well, because we learned something. It's never been more important to educate yourself. There isn't an establishment that knows what it's doing and is going to get us through all of this. It's going to have to come from you. There's no guarantee that good ideas prevail. But if you don't try to have those good ideas and get them out there, then of course they won't prevail. Keep on plugging, and don't let the crazies grind you down. I'm Paul Krugman, and this is my MasterClass.